Sam and Ted, Number 1. By Hitomi Brookfield. Sam and Ted's mom is Kim. Sam and Ted's dad is Jack. Sam has a big box in his hands and a backpack on his back. Sam jumps up the steps of the grandstand. Sam gets a black hat and a black stick from the backpack. Sam gives Ted the black hat and the black stick. Ted is not sad. Ted is glad. Ted has the black hat on his head and the black stick in his left hand. Ted yells, "This black stick does grand tricks." Ted yells, "A rat will jump from the big box." Jack does not think a rat will jump up from the big box. With a quick flick of the black stick, Ted does the trick. Ted flicks the black stick and then taps it on the top of the big box. Jack grins as Sam pops up from the big box with a rat mask on his head. Ted does the next trick with a quick flick of the black stick. Ted taps the black stick on Jack's back. Ted says, "Dad must get in the big box." Jack stands in front of the big box. A lid is on top of the big box. Jack lifts the lid. Just then, Kim pops up from the big box and gives Jack a big kiss on the lips. Jack says, "This is the best trick." Sam and Ted have fun with the stuff in the backpack.